Everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one, we will be checking out this amazing application which is built on Django. And for developing the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So I'm going to show you how this application works and basically what all things can we do on this application. You must have seen Practo and you must have used Practo application, right, for booking the appointments with the doctors. So it is very much similar to that. And let me just start with the home page. So this is how the home page looks like, right? We have some registered doctors over here, okay, which can be seen like this. And we have the list of the registered hospitals. So it is also a slide bar kind of a thing that we have for the available hospitals, and same thing we have over here for the doctors. Right. Now let us come back on the top and let us click this login button. So it takes us to this particular page where we see three options. One for registering a doctor, the other for registering a patient, and the third one for registering an admin profile. So I'm going to first register a patient's profile. For that, I'll have to click here on register and it will take me to this patient form. Here I will give some random details. Just give me a short moment. Okay, Akshay and akshay@gmail.com. I'm going to keep the password same for all the three profiles which I will be creating in this video. So for Akshay, we have Akshay123 as the password. An error has occurred during the registration. Okay, what is that error? Two password field didn't match. Okay, let me give another password. So it is Gaurav123, which I have entered my name and then 123. Let us do the sign up. Okay, so I've signed up. I've created a patient's profile successfully, and I'm going to note down the required things over here. So I need a username for logging into the portal as a patient, and also I need a password. So the password is Gaurav123. Okay, let me just show it to you. Okay, now let me log in to the application as a patient. So it says username password doesn't match. Okay, let me enter the correct username. So it is Akshay. Okay, so I have successfully logged into the application, and this is how the patient's portal look like. Okay, so if I want to search for a doctor, I can simply hit the search doctor button, and it takes me to this beautiful page where we can see all the doctors which we have registered on this application. Right, we can search for the doctor also. For example, if I want to search with, let's say, the last name of the doctor, so this is how the search works. Okay, I want to check out the profile, so I can hit this view profile button for checking out the profile of the doctor. So this is a certificate of the doctor, and we have any review for this doctor? No, we don't have. So we can add reviews also for this doctor. uh, nice work, he is an excellent doctor, save review. Okay, so this is how the doctor's reviews can be updated and they can be added, right? Then we have something with the medical shop. Let me see what it will take us to. So it has taken us to the portal wherein we can purchase medicines. Okay, let's say I want to purchase this medicine, so I just have to hit this add to cart button, and automatically the cart will get updated like this. Now I can add another medicine like this. So the cart has again got updated, and if I click on this cart button, it has taken me to a page where it is showing me the order which I have placed. Okay, then we have this proceed to checkout over here. So this is also working fine. And if I want to go back to the dashboard from here, so I just have to hit this dashboard button and it has taken me back to this dashboard of the patient. Multiple hospital, let's check what do we have over here. So okay, we have the list of all the hospitals. If I do next, okay, this is the type of pagination which we have for this multiple hospital page. Let me do this explore for this hospital. Okay, so here we can see, the profile of the hospital, you can say, right? We have images also of the hospital, which we can view like this. So it's a slideshow that we have in place over here. If I do this start slideshow, so what is going to happen? It will start automatically. I don't have to click these buttons, for changing the pictures. So that is also an advantage. Let me see what can be done with this button. So we can zoom in. Okay, okay, so this is the kind of slide bar we have for this dashboard. Okay, it looks great. Do we have the phone number over here? Let me check. Okay, these are, I think these buttons are not working right now, but yes, we can make them working. We can add a pop-up with them, right? So the moment, so at the moment when the user clicks here on this button, automatically a pop-up should come which should show the contact details of the hospital. So that kind of thing also can be done, but we have a page over here, we have a section over here with the help of which we can check the contact details, right? Emergency info is also available. Fine. Then we have this test information. Suppose a patient has undergone some tests, so the result of those tests can be seen over here, right? Then we have this profile settings button. Let's see what do we have over here. So we can update the profile of Akshay. Let me do one thing. Let me quickly download a photograph for Akshay and upload it. Akshay. Okay. This clip art. Okay, let me add a clip art. Okay, let's use this one, or let's use this one. So I'm going to just do save image as, and I'm saving it in my on my desktop as with name Akshay, and let me just upload it over here. So Akshay, and here I can give a name, Akshay Singhania, and date of birth I have to give. So let me select 30th of January, be positive, mobile number. So I'm entering a random mobile number for now, 48. Okay, then address is again going to be a random thing, age 15, and then NID AWER 232323. History is none. Save changes. So I'm done with saving the changes, and as you can see, a nice profile kind of a thing has been created. If I do this profile settings again, so I can see all the information here. Okay, so this is also working fine. I can change the password also. Okay, we have this form over here with the help of which password can be changed. Let me log out from the application. Okay, so this is what we have in the patient's dashboard. Now let us explore the doctor's dashboard. So for that I'll have to do this, click on this, and this is the doctor's panel, and I'll have to first create a profile of a doctor. Here I'm going to create a profile with this name, aniket@gmail.com, and I need to enter a password. So password, let's keep it like this, aniket123. I think no, that will not work because password is very much similar to the username. So I'm going to keep it same as that of Akshay, and I've successfully created a profile for the doctor with username Aniket and password is same, which is Gaurav123. Let me come back here. And here I have to enter the username as Aniket and password is Gaurav123. Let's log in into the application. So this is how the doctor's portal looks like. Okay, let us see the various options we have on this panel. So here on this profile panel we have these options. Okay, again we have a slideshow over here which we can start, and automatically it will run and it will change the images. Okay, so let's do an escape. We don't have the option of changing the profile, or do we have? Yeah, we do have option of entering the profile details. So let us do it quickly. I'm going to enter, let me download Aniket's images first from here. Okay, so let's use Dr. Aniket instead of Aniket. Okay, so I'm going to use this one for now, right? And let me do, okay, I need a doctor with a white background. Okay, so trying to find a good image. I think this should work, or this, no, this is low, not looking good. Yeah, I think this should work. So let me just save the image first on my desktop, and here I go. Okay, it's WEBP file, so we need a PNG or a JPG. No problem, let's go with this one. Aniket. Okay, let us come back, and I'm going to upload the pic quickly here. So it's Aniket's pic which I need to upload, and here I'm going to give his full name, Aniket Solanki. Phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and gender male. Date of birth I have to fill here, so let me select something from 1989. NID AWER 342312. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, we do have this over here, visiting hours 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, and here I need to write a biography of Dr. Ankit. So let me do this, Dr. Ankit biography. So we are going to take everything from Google. Okay, the content and everything. And okay, let's pick up this for now. Or else let's go back. I would like to use, I think this will do, right? I am going to take this much of the text and let's put it over here simply. Okay, so here I need to make a small change, in case instead of Ankit it should be Aniket. Okay, let's just remove this. I think rest everything is fine. Consultation fee, let's make it 1200 for now. Report fee 500. Education, so here I'm going to do MBBS and institute MIT. Year of completion is 2011. Experience, hospital name Yashoda from 2011 to 2023. Designation senior consultant. Okay, and let's save the changes. So we have successfully created the profile of Dr. Ankit. Let us see what do we have here in appointments. So right now we do not have anything in the appointments because no one has booked appointment with Aniket. Let's come on patient ID and check what we have over here. So patient ID, why we are not getting anything? Okay, so we need to give a patient ID here with the help of which we can search for the patient. Let me do one thing. Let me quickly open the app over here on my local and log in as in patient. Okay, so I would like to check the ID of Akshay, right? The profile of which we created earlier. Just a second. It is Akshay and Gaurav123 is the password. So why am I not able to log in into the portal? Okay, I have successfully logged in, and here I need to check the ID of Akshay. Let me see whether we have. Okay, we do not have the ID of Akshay here. Okay, I'll check this again. After creating the admin portal, maybe you know accessing the admin portal will give me the access to everything, right? An ID always gets generated. So if we're not able to find it here, maybe in the admin portal of Django, we'll be able to see it. Let me use a random one for now. So if I enter 12, no, it's not giving. It hasn't given me anything. If I use 56, okay, so I don't think that profile with that ID exists. If I use 2, okay, we do have a profile with that ID. Okay, so this is how where the doctor can check the profiles of various patients. If I enter 4, do we have any profile with that? Yeah, we do have a profile with that ID. Great, so this is how it works, right? Then if I come here on my patients, it's completely blank right now. Test information, okay, we do have test information page also available for the doctor. Then profile settings, I've already showed you how to set the profile. Change password is also there, and let's log out from the application. Okay, so this is the look and feel of the doctor's panel. Now it's time for accessing the application using an admin. Right, so let's do that. I need to first register a user profile. So here I'm going to enter a random name again. Let me think of a name, Amit. Okay, and Amit at the rate gmail.com. Password is going to be same as that of Akshay. Okay, Amit. So with the name of Amit, we created a profile successfully. And let me just add it over here. Username is Amit and password is again the same, Gaurav123. So now this is a patient's profile. Okay, with this we have a doctor's profile registered on the portal, and this is the credential for accessing the admin portal. Now I need to enter Amit over here, and here I need to enter Gaurav123, which is the password, and let's log it into the application and see how the admin portal looks like. So this is the look and feel of the admin portal. We have a beautiful bar chart over here. We have the names of all the hospitals registered on the panel, right? We have the total number of doctors getting reflected in the form of a card. We have total number of patients, total hospital, and then total number of lab workers also there, right? We do have the doctor names over here, right, like this. And this is the one which we just registered. We created a profile for Aniket Solanki. And if you remember, we created the profile of Akshay some while back, and we can see it over here. We can see all the information related to Akshay's profile over here. But for Aniket, we don't have the information of the department. Maybe I'll have to fill it in the admin portal, the Django admin portal, and then it will come over here. So this is how the dashboard of the admin looks like. Now we do have a button over here which says DJDT. Okay, this is not working for admin, no problem. Let's come on the hospitals. So we can add new hospitals. Okay, we can edit the details of the existing hospitals like this, right? We can edit the details, and let me just do it once. Hot. Okay, let's save the changes. So that's how the message comes when you edit the information. Now if you want to add a hospital's information, you can simply click this add hospital. Let's do it quickly. So we need to upload the pic of the hospital first. Images, and here I am going to upload the pic of this hospital, which is Yashoda Super Specialty Hospital. So let's do one thing. Let's come here and Yashoda. Okay, and here we are going to upload the photograph which we just downloaded. This is the one. Hospital name is Yashoda Super Specialty. Take one's address I need to enter. So Kavinagar, Ghaziabad, UP, and email address Yashoda @gmail.com. It's just a random now email ID I've given, and then a number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and hospital type is private. New add new department, so cardiac. Add more. Then what else can be done? What else can be added here? Pediatrician. Okay, these are some of the names which are coming in my mind right now. Pediatrics, let's add it. New services, so uh, ontology. Then CRT, specialization in pediatrics or operations. Description. Yashoda Hospital description we have to find out quickly, and then we are going to simply paste the description over here. Let me do it, and let's save the changes and see what's going to happen. So we have successfully added a hospital here, and which can be seen in this list over here, Yashoda Super Specialty. Right, so this is how the hospitals can be added. Then add emergency info. We can add the emergency info also. So let's do it. Edit, and here general bed number 3, available ICU number. Okay, so we have these increment and decrement buttons, and let's save the changes. And now we have the emergency details also available for Yashoda Super Specialty. Okay, let's come on doctors and registered. So here we have the names of all the users which are registered. Okay, now what is meant by registered? Maybe the admin, the super user has to give the permissions, some permissions to these doctors so that their profile can come here in this admin portal. So I'll do one thing. Let me just log out from this application and quickly log in into the admin console panel. So how to access that? It's very simple because it's built on Django. So we can simply access it like this. These are the super user credentials. Why am I not able to log in into the application? I need to check it out. Okay, it's not allowing me to enter into the portal. Let me use Amit's credentials and see. Okay, this is also not working. Let's do one thing. Let's here I'm going to create the super user quickly. create super user is a command through which we can do it easily. Okay, I think I'll have to come here. Let me just do it again. Create super user. Yeah, this is a command. Here I have to give a random, username again. So Ansh and email ID. Let's leave it. Ansh and Gaurav123 is the password. Again, I'm giving for creating the super user profile, and I've created the super user profile successfully. So for the super user, we have the username as Ansh and the password is Gaurav123. Okay, so now the application is running, and I'll have to come back and give it a refresh, and let's just try to log in using the super user credentials. Okay, so I've successfully logged in, and as you can see, we have various tables over here in the database. Let's check out the doctor's information. What I was supposed to do, just a second, I think I forgot. Okay, I need to give the permissions to the profile of the doctor, right? And who is the doctor? Aniket, Dr. Aniket. I think I'll have to change here something. Yeah, department. Let me add him to the pediatricians department. Department name is pediatrics. Specialization, um, operations, and rest. Everything is. We can leave the remaining things, but here I can fill the details quickly. Degree BBS, completion year 2011. Workplace designation, workplace is Ghaziabad, designation is senior consultant, start year 2011, end year 2023, resignation register status. Okay, here I need to give the register status, so let's give approved. I think this is what I'm supposed to fill over here. Hospital names, let's add him to Yashoda Super Speciality Hospital for now. Okay, let me check the profile of this doctor. This is not there. Okay, yeah, it should be accepted, not approved. So coming back over here, Aniket, and let me just do accepted. So the profile for which we have registered status as accepted, they will be showed to the admin and to the other users of the application. So I am not able to log in here. Why? Because the admin is created with this username Amit, and the password is Gaurav123. Let me just log in and see whether this time Akshay's profile will be visible to me or not. Not Akshay's profile, but it is Aniket's profile. Sorry. So doctors registered. And Aniket, yeah, I can see his profile over here. If I come here on view, let's see what's gonna happen. So I can see everything, whatever I have fed in for creating Aniket's profile. So I didn't uploaded any certificate, so it's blank completely. There are some reviews also which we can see over here. So these are by default. Once a profile of a doctor gets created, these reviews automatically gets added to the profile, right? Okay, doctors pending. Do we have anything pending? No, we don't have. Lab workers. So if the admin wants, he can add lab worker details also over here. So right, and then view lab workers. So lab workers can be seen here. Let me quickly add a lab workers detail over here. um, anish anish@gmail.com, and password is Gaurav123 again. So it's a beautiful application, right? Where we have almost everything, whatever we require for understanding the functionalities of Django and how it behaves and it can be connected to the front end. So we have created the profile of Anish successfully. We can edit it also, right? Let me just upload a pic quickly. Anish image clip art. Okay, so here I have to come here on image and let me select a random. Okay, let's remove this clip art for now. Let me select this image. I need to do a save image as, right, for downloading the image on my desktop. Anish, and here I go. Coming back to the panel, I need to just upload it over here, and here I need to give the full name of Anish. Let's use the original name, and 76543212122 age 56. Save images. So we have created the profile of Anish right here. Let me add it to this worker. So username is Anish and password is same as that of others, which is Gaurav123. Okay, let's come on pharmacist and add a pharmacist. So the way we have added the worker on the panel, in the same way a pharmacist profile can also be created. Let's do it quickly. So Abhishek at the rate gmail.com, and password is same as that of others, which is Gaurav23. So I've created Abhishek's profile also, and here I need to update the information. So pharmacist. So it's just for you to understand, what all things we can do on this application. So I've created a profile with name Abhishek and its password is Gaurav123. Okay, coming back to the profile, let's see if we can edit it also. So yes, we can edit it. Let me quickly grab the image of Abhishek from the internet. Okay, let's use this one. I need to first download it, right, or do a save image as, and here we need to save image of Abhishek. Okay, it's not a PNG. I think we can use this one. Yeah, so Abhi, and let's do a save, and here I need to quickly upload it. Okay, Abhishek, and phone number 878787656532 40, and let's save the changes. So we have created the profile and we have also updated it successfully. We have a filter also on all the pages. We have this static filter which can be used. These are also clickable links. If we click here, it redirects us to this, which is currently not working. Maybe it's the profile page. Okay, so the edit is working, the profile is not. No problem. We can see the profile of the admin over here. Fine. So these are the things which we have on the admin panel, right? Let me go back and see if I have anything else over here. So we have the list of all the people and everything we have created and we can create on this panel on the dashboard page of the admin portal. Okay, fine. Let's go back and let's do a logout. Fine. I am now going to go on the home page. This is how we can come back on the home page from the admin panel. Let's do a login and sign up again. And this time on Chrome, we are going to enter the credentials of the patient, right? So it is Akshay, And on the other tab, on the other browser, we have the profile of a doctor opened, right? So this is a doctor's profile and this is the patient's profile. Why they are looking similar? Okay, this is the patient's profile. I need to log out and let me just log in as a doctor over here. So it's Aniket's credentials we have to enter here for logging in as a doctor. It's not working. Why? Do let me just enter the credentials again, and this time I think I'll be able to log in. Yes, so I have logged in as a doctor here on the Edge, and on Chrome I have logged in as a patient. Okay, now I would like to search for a doctor. Can I do it? Yes, I can. So here in search doctor we have Aniket also coming here. Let's book an appointment with Aniket and see what's gonna happen. So appointment date is this, appointment time. Let me change the time. So I would like to visit him at 10 a.m. Appointment date, I would like to visit him on not 11th, 12th of January, that is tomorrow. Appointment type, checkup, and hi doctor, I I would like to see you tomorrow. Please confirm my appointment. Okay, thanks and regards. So short message for the doctor will do. Submit request and let's see what's gonna happen. Whether this request will reach or not. Okay, so authentication required hospital admin at the rate gmail.com. I think the authentication is required. Some authentication is required here. So we do have in this settings.py file we do have the email part set up. So let me just stop the pause the video for some time and you know configure the email part, and I'll get come back very soon. Stay tuned. Okay, I can't stop because it's not showing me the option of pausing the video. No problem. So I think once this part is set, the email part will start working and the doctor will receive the appointment, okay, which the doctor will be able to see over here. My patient, under my patients, he will be able to see the information of the patient, right? So that part I won't be able to set up right now because it's not allowing me to pause the video. No problem, you can do it afterwards. Okay, so let's see what else do we have over here. So we have this chat with the doctor option also available. Akshay Singhania, fine. And here I would like to talk to Aniket. Okay, so as you can see, Aniket's profile is online right now, and it is actually online. Okay, if I do a log out, what is going to happen to this sign? Let's see. So I need to refresh it, and now it is showing us as offline, right? So this is again a magical thing happening. Are you a patient? Okay, let me just log in again, and here I need to do Goro 123 login, and let's see whether we can chat or not. So Akshay, okay, so the doctor can find the patient and the patient can find the doctor, right? Hi. Okay, so as you can see, it's in real time. Aniket received the message. Akshay has passed. Hi. there. May I know your name, please? Okay, let's send the message quickly. Okay, so Akshay received the message in real time. My name is Akshay and I would like to get your appointment. Okay, so this is another way, the user can check if the doctor is available or not. Okay, so this is again an amazing thing about this application. Let's come back on the dashboard and see, do we have anything here in this my patients? Okay, I think this will only get updated once the email will start coming. Okay, so no problem. I think you've already understood, how we can do it. Now this patient ID is also I've showed you multiple hospital. I think we have covered almost everything about this application. Okay. Okay, so we do have this, dashboard page now updated. Fine. So, we booked an appointment with this doctor. The email didn't go. The email didn't went to this doctor, right? But once the doctor receives it, he can approve the appointment and automatically, all this information will get updated accordingly. Pay now, the patient can make the payment also, but that payment integration part is not there. You can integrate this application with PayPal or any other, payment gateway also, so that the patient can make the payment and then he can proceed with the appointment. So this is the whole application. I hope you guys enjoyed it.